Okay, so here's the idea behind make 10 and take 10. Oops, let's start again. Okay, so here's the idea. Okay, so here's the idea behind make 10 and take 10. In make 10, this is where you want to make 10 for addition, and where you want to take 10 is mostly for subtraction. What you want to do for make 10 is you want to break this down, and you want to make 10 out of these two numbers. You have 38 here, which is broken down into 30 and 8. And what you want to do is make 10 out of this last number in the ones digit. So how can I make 10 quickly and easily? With a 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Well, I'm breaking this down from the 7. So I have 2 and 5 make up my 7. 8 and 2 make up 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40. Plus 5 is 45. So that's my make 10 for addition. Take 10. What we want to do is break this down, but we want to take 10 this time. So we have 10 on this side and 61 here. 61 and 10 make up 71. And now since this is subtraction, all we're going to do is take 10 from here. I'm sorry, subtract. So 10 minus 8 equals 2. Now what we have left over is 61 and 2, which means this is 63. Okay, so where is this going? It seems like it's very complicated just for something that's simple and easy to do in your head. Well, when it gets more and more complicated, this is where it's very helpful. 34 plus 18. I can break this down, and what I want to do is be able to make 10. Well, I have the 4 back here. So this is going to be 30 and 4. I need 6 from this. 6 plus 12. This makes 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. 52. This is 75 minus 38. This is where the take 10 is coming into place. So we want to take 10. We have 65 here. Now this one gets complicated. That means there's the 10 here. I want to break the 8 off of here to subtract. And that means there's 30 left here. Subtraction of 8 and 10 here is 2. 65 minus 30 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. That's where that's going. We also have another method, but this would be a lot easier for this one in the fact that this is only 2 away from 40. So if we balance this by adding 2 to both sides, because it'll be the same difference no matter what we subtract, as long as we add the same or subtract the same to both numbers, it'll still have the same difference. So this will now be 40, which means this will now be 77. Now we can easily subtract. 77 minus 40 equals 37. That's another method. That's the method we probably use for this one. However, this method does come into play, and the kids are asked to be able to do this. This is another method which will help in adding 10, taking 10 from that, and making it into 52.